Okay, good.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Okay, did you eat?
Jennifer.
Yes. Okay, do you still remember my name? What is my name? Teacher.
Jennifer.
Okay, teacher Jennifer. Science, okay? My subject is science. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is Mina and 6. Hoping more of your classmates will come. So now, please bring out your notebook. Do you have your notebook? Notebook or paper? It's okay. You can use notebook or paper. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Ready? So before we start our subject, we're going to have spelling, okay? Spelling, please write the day today. What is the day today? Monday. Very good. Today is Monday. Please write Monday in your notebook or paper. Monday. Okay. What is the date? 5th of July 2021. Okay? Please write that one in the top of your finish. Wait. Okay. So are you ready? Where's your paper? Before we start our experiment about formation of balloon, we're going to have our spelling, okay? Tirapong, I will mute. There you go. Okay. So number 1, please number your paper 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Finish? Okay. Number 1, gas. Gas. Okay. Number 1, gas. Gas. Number 2, liquid. Liquid. Liquid like water. Water is a liquid. Can be also an alcohol is a liquid. Number 3, solid. Solid. Okay, number 4, balloon. Balloon. Okay.
ไม่เขียนเรื่อง
Where
อะไร
is
เลย
your paper and your ball pen? We're having a spelling, okay? Okay. Number 4, balloon.
แตงโมวิชาอะไรอ่ะ
What?
วิชาไซแอนมีนะไซแอน
Science.
ใช่
Why you forget already? Okay, number 5, vinegar. 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 Okay, vinegar.
โอ้ยโอ้ย
Very sour.
ใช่ไหม
5 is vinegar. Number 6. Number 6, baking powder. Baking powder.
เขียนอ่ะ
Baking powder.
พี่เขียนไม่ได้
นั่นเชียว
โอ้ยอะไรไซส์อะไรเท่าไหร่
โอ้ยมั่วไปหมดแล้วนู่น
ดีมากดิ
นี่เหรอแช่นี้ไหมอยู่ที่หน้าอะไรเหรอที่ชิเชื่อให้เปิดอ่ะ
Yes.
ไม่มีนะโอ้ย
Okay. Number 7, acid. 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 Acid.
รู้ละฟังคำบอก
Okay, you try. Why?
อ๋อ
Acid. Carbon acid. Okay. 8, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Okay. Again, number 8.
one more teacher
Yes. Carbon dioxide.
วันมอวันมอ
Carbon dioxide. Number 9, air. 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 Number 10, bubbles. Bubbles. Tanyo, don't do that. Okay, do you know bubbles? If you're going to shake and shake and shake, and then those are bubbles. The circles. Those are bubbles. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to repeat 1 to 10. Okay, number 1, gas. Number 2, liquid. Number 3, solid. 4, balloon. 5, vinegar. Wait, please. 6, baking powder. 7, acid. 8, carbon dioxide. 9, air. And 10, bubbles. Bubbles. Finish? correct spelling. Share. Okay. 1 gas, 2 liquid, solid, balloon, and 10.
โอ้เรียนเรื่องสาร
What?
อย่างนี้
That. This is that.
ก็อยู่สัตว์
In, correct?
กันแล้วติดโควิดจากกัน
Okay. So can you take off your mask if you're inside your house? Okay, finish. One. You check your paper and then you are going to copy. Can you do it a little bit faster? Okay? You can do it. Gas, liquid, solid, balloon, vinegar, baking powder, acid, carbon dioxide, air, and bubbles. Those are the words that we're going to do today. iPhone, yes?
เหมือนกันปะสมัยนี้มันก็
iPhone, do you have a question? iPhone, please change your name. Is it really iPhone?
เขาไม่รู้เลยยังให้ทำในไหนเพิ่งที่
Tanyong, Zach, Monica, Warisara. Warisara, please turn on your video so that I can see you. Thank you.
เปิดแล้วมันหมด
Please turn on also your video.
เปิดแล้วแบบมันจะ
ตู้เย็น and sarap po.
มันก็มาพูดลิงก์อีกอะ
Okay.
ไม่มีมีแต่ในโทรศัพท์เท่านั้น
ไอ้ของมึงอ่ะมาเปิดจ้ะ
Finish?
ลงไป
All finish? Okay. Who got 10? Who got 10? 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, we got Chendeep and Tanyong. 4.
อะไรครูเขาให้ทำอะไรอ่ะ
เห็นเสียงดังคำบอกฉันตามคำบอก
4.
ยังไม่ได้เขียนเลยอ่ะ
เอาเหมือน
3.
เอาผิดหมดเลย
And Pacharapon.
เขา
2.
เพิ่งมา
1. Chendeep, how many? 2 or 5? 2. Okay. And 1. Zach? You got 1? And 0. Okay, that's okay. Why we have those spelling? Because that is our topic for today. Open your book. Please open your book on page 15. Okay. Let's do on page 16. Science. Page 16.
16 row number 6
Okay.
หน้าที่ 6 16 1 2 3 4 5
6หรือ15กันแน่
หน้าที่เท่าไหร่เนี่ย 16เหรอ
เชื่อบอกว่าที่10ไม่ได้หน้าที่เท่าไหร่
ต่อไปไอ้ของ
Our topic for today is all about inflatable balloon. Do you know what is a balloon? This is a balloon.
Balloon.
Okay, balloon. What is this? Bottle. Okay, a plastic bottle. And today we're going to know how the balloon will be inflated using vinegar and baking soda. Okay, it is an experiment about balloon blow up. Same, it's in your book. Wait, please.
อะไรเนี่ย
ไปทำค่ะโอ้
ทำไมเหรอสั่งแต่เป็น
อะไร
Okay, so the materials that are we going to use
ไปทำหา
actually we're going to do this one in school, but because of COVID, we stay at our house, right? So the materials that we are needed is glass bottle, baking powder, vinegar, balloon, and teaspoon. Do you know what is a glass bottle? You know? Okay, this one. This is a glass bottle, or you can also use water bottle, okay? In making this experiment. And then we have
ของจริง
balloon, balloon, baking soda, and teaspoon. Teaspoon. You know the spoon? This is
ขอ
a
ช้อนกินได้ที่โซดาแล้วก็ที่
so teaspoon. And we also have vinegar. Okay, we also have vinegar and funnel. You know this balloon, okay? This one will be inflated better using the baking soda and sugar. Okay, so this one we're going to watch. I want you to watch something. Okay? Please watch properly and listen properly. Start.
น่าจะหายโยหายเหรอวิดีโอหาย
มันสะดุด
แล้วไม่รู้จะเอาออก
Again.
Hello, fellow scientists. Before we use common household items, vinegar and baking soda, what do we know about vinegar? Let's make some observations.
มันจอ
It's a clear liquid Hello, fellow scientists.
Can you hear?
Before me, you see two common household items, vinegar and baking soda. What do we know about vinegar? Let's make some observations.
Okay, this is
Clearly,
vinegar.
it's good on salads. It tastes sour.
Very sour.
What do we know about baking soda? It's a white powder. You can use it to deodorize your
Baking
carpets.
soda.
It's bitter. Useful in baking. That's why it's called baking soda. Now, what do you think happens if you mix vinegar and baking soda?
Vinegar plus baking soda.
Vinegar is an
Here's
acid,
what happens.
acetic acid. Baking soda is a base, which is kind of the opposite of an acid. When you mix an acid and a base, something dramatic usually happens, so we better get prepared. Wearing my lab coat, putting on my safety goggles, and I'm ready. I will add the vinegar to the baking soda, and I will observe. Observe with me.
baking soda.
Okay, there's bubbles. You can see there is bubbles, okay?
นี่ลูกโป่ง
Bubbles. That is bubbles. Those are bubbles.
Well, that was interesting. I saw bubbles, I heard hissing. What does that mean? Think? Think. Your brains? I think it means a gas was being released. Based on my extensive knowledge of chemistry, I know that it was carbon dioxide. You know carbon dioxide. We breathe it out every time we exhale. Like that. And that. There goes some more.
Carbon dioxide.
If I mix vinegar and baking soda together in this bottle, I can capture the gas being released in a balloon. It may even be powerful enough to blow the balloon up.
Wait, please.
Sour. You know carbon dioxide. We breathe it out every time we exhale. Like that. And that. There goes some more. If I mix vinegar and baking soda together in this bottle, I can capture the gas being released in a balloon. It may even be powerful enough to blow the balloon up. First, I'll pour a little vinegar into this bottle.
Okay, vinegar, put in the glass bottle.
Then I'll add a tablespoon of baking soda to the balloon.
Then, baking soda in the balloon.
Stretch the balloon over the bottle.
Then, put the balloon in the
Dump in the baking soda.
bottle. Okay.
Looky here. We have a balloon filled with carbon dioxide. What do I do
Okay.
with a balloon filled with
That's
carbon dioxide?
how the balloon will
I guess we
be
could feed it to some plants so they can do photosynthesis. but
Infiltrate.
We'll talk about that another day.
by using
Now,
the
here.
vinegar and baking soda.
Some people might call what we just did an experiment, but it wasn't a real experiment. This was just a demonstration. An experiment is part of the scientific method, where you ask a
Yes.
question about how something works, you gather as much information as you can about the subject, then you try to predict the answer to your question. That is, you make a hypothesis based on what you know, sort of like an educated guess. Then you test to see if your hypothesis was correct. That's the experiment part. For example, what if I wanted to find out how to make more gas? Do I add more vinegar, more baking soda? Do I heat it up? What's your hypothesis? Tell me below in the comments. Okay, that's all the time we have for science today. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Try again. Okay. So go back to your book. Let's go to your book on page 17. 17. It says there, the reaction of baking powder and vinegar in a balloon sealed container. Okay. You see the video? Did you see the video? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So the test is reaction of baking powder and vinegar. When you mix vinegar and baking powder, what happened to the balloon? The balloon inflates or the balloon stay put? It's just flat. What happened? When the vinegar and baking soda mix, what happened? Okay, you're going to check this one. The balloon inflates. Okay, it blows the balloon. So the balloon become big. Okay, so the balloon inflates. This one, please check the star. This one, the balloon inflates. Okay, finish?
ปอกน้ำมะพร้าวหน่อย
Finish?
ฮะ
Okay, where are you again? What is Sarah? Okay, so next one, the question in your book, this one. Okay, you have a question here, right? The first question is, what happens after the baking powder mixes with the vinegar in the bottle? That is number 1 on page 17. What happens after the baking powder mixes with the vinegar in the bottle? What happened? Anyone? Okay. The reaction makes a lot of bubbles and the balloon inflates. This is the answer. Please copy in your book. Okay? Please copy this one in your book because this is the answer. The reaction makes a lot of bubbles and the balloon inflates. Write it in your book. This one, remember here, number 1, right? This is the answer now. This is the answer. Number 2, in your experiment, is there any evidence that a new substance forms? And what is the evidence? Okay. In the experiment, there is a substance forms and that is a gas because it inflates the balloon. That's a different evidence. Okay. Can I see your book? Can I see your book? Okay, this is the question number 2. How about the question number 3? We only have 3 questions. How can you summarize this experiment? You watched the video, right? Did you see the vinegar and the baking soda and the balloon, right? So the summarize is, when baking powder mixes with vinegar, a new substance, a gas, forms and inflates the balloon. Okay, this is the answer for your book. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Just copy, okay? You can copy here. Come on. You can copy your answer here. Okay, Tonkao, can I see your book? Tonkao, where's your book? Okay, did you answer? This is number 1, okay? Number 1 question, this is the answer. Okay, class. This is number 1 in your book, okay? This is the question. And the answer is this one. You're going to copy this one in your book. Okay, very good. This is the answer. Then number 2. This is the answer, of course, number 2. Same as number 3. This is also the answer for number 3. Okay, can you please copy a little bit faster because we only have 1 minute. And we have 10 participants today. Mina, Punka. Punka, what is your real name? What?
Kanyalak Pangpan.
Kanyalak, okay. Next, Tanyong, what is your real name? Tanyong? What is your name? What's your name? Huh? Louder, louder. Number? What's your number?
Number 6.
Number 6, Natakan. Okay, Natakan. Very good. And Zach, what is your number?
15.
Huh? 15, right?
Yes.
Marisara, what is your number? 10. And Sue, what is your number?